I know very well why you all are here. So let's just skip introduction and get to the point. However, I just want to make sure at the start of the video that this may not work for iPhone users. The first step is, delete your Discord app. Now, go to Google Play Stores and click your profile on top right-hand side. Now scroll down and click Settings. After that, click Network Preferences. Now you need to turn off Auto Update. This step is extremely important. Now just go to Google Chrome or any browser and search Discord old version and click the website that I am clicking. Now click Older Versions, it will take you to this page. Scroll down and you can either install November 7th or November 22nd Discord, both will work. I am installing November 22nd Discord. And here we go. I have installed it. Now we will try it out. You can see the old UI is back. It's working. Now, you no longer have to suffer from the new UI. Anyway, that is it. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button so this video reaches to everyone who needs it. Plus, if you need server decors and layouts, just join my server, we have tons and tons of decors. You'd absolutely love it. We also have creative team that provide members with the decors and layout they want, and it's all for free. So all you need to do is join up. Also folks, thank you so much for always supporting me. We've recently crossed 4,000 subscribers, believe it or not, it's a huge motivational boost for me. I never thought I'd reach this far. I hope you guys will always keep supporting me. Until then, take care and see ya, wishing you all belated Merry Christmas.